Hello. So my Delta Monitor Series shower appears to be stripped. I'm going to see what we can do to investigate this and get the parts that we need. Alright, so this cap piece just pops right off. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty easy. That comes right off. Now you've got a screw, a Phillips screw here, and then the two on the back plate that'll have to come off as well. So before we take the back plate off, because we may not need to, it looks like I can see already why it's stripped. And you might be able to tell here as well. You see the very front end of those teeth are ground down. Let's see if it's true on the bottom as well. Yeah, it appears so. If I inspect the inside of the... It's a bit of kind of corrosion there, but I don't see why the teeth would be gnashed. Let me have a closer look. Alright, to investigate, I took this sleeve off, and be careful, there is a rubber gasket inside that you don't want to lose. I took the sleeve off, and then I was able to work the handle on more securely all the way to the back, and it looks like it's sitting on top of the teeth now correctly. In fact, I could probably push it on a bit further, but inspecting the fit back here, it looks like I could even work it on a bit better, maybe with a kind of a hammer and a soft block or something to keep from damaging it. But maybe with the right amount of pressure and force, I can get it to sit perfectly on top of those teeth. And then it's going to work, because actually I can see that it's operating the shower correctly when I turn it. So this was a matter of the last time I repaired this, I changed out the component on the inside, and apparently I didn't slip this handle on all the way. Apparently I just grabbed the very front edge of the teeth, and I was able to reassemble it, not knowing that I was going to cause damage to those teeth. But there's lots of teeth left to grip on here, so I don't see a need to replace it yet. So I'm going to reassemble it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I've got the sleeve back on, and in fact, it's pretty clear that the sleeve is impeding it slightly from slipping all the way on, because you can see now I'm not able to grab quite as much of those teeth as I was before. But it's still operable, and I'm still only about, it looks like 3/16 of an inch that I'm offset there. So it's going to work just fine. And if there was more of a problem, I guess I could maybe get out a metal saw, and cut off the end of that sleeve if I needed to. But I'm going to avoid that surgery in this case, because it looks like it's not necessary. Alright, I've got it back assembled. Temperature control is operable. Water's on. Close the door, wait a minute. Make sure that hot water is hot. And it is. It's getting warm and hot. Turning it back down. It's cold. It's a bit tight. Maybe I did the screw a bit too much. And there's the cold. Okay. Well, that's a cheap fix. We'll see how long it lasts, but I think I'm in good shape there now that I've got a nice solid fit on this fixture. And I would like to ask you to press the button to subscribe if this was at all helpful, because YouTube will only support my channel if I can raise the number of subscribers that I have. Thank you very much.